Hello everyone, welcome to Electronics Basics. In today's video, we're going to learn one of the most important semiconductor devices, the diode. By the end of this video, you'll understand what a diode is, its symbol, its structure, how it works, forward and reverse bias, VI characteristics, applications. So let's get started. 1. What is a diode? A diode is a two-terminal semiconductor device that allows electric current to flow in only one direction. Think of it like a one-way gate. Just as a one-way road allows vehicles to move in only one direction, a diode allows current to flow in only one direction and blocks it in the opposite direction. A diode has two terminals: anode A, cathode K. Now let's look at the symbol of a diode. The left side is called the anode, and the right side is called the cathode. Current flows from the anode to the cathode when the diode is forward biased. Remember, A for anode, K for cathode. A diode is made by joining two types of semiconductor materials. One side is P-type semiconductor, the other side is N-type semiconductor. When these two materials are joined together, they form a PN junction. This PN junction is the heart of every diode because it controls the flow of current. And how a diode works. There are two operating conditions. Forward bias. When the anode is connected to the positive terminal of the battery and the cathode is connected to the negative terminal, the diode becomes forward biased. In this condition, the diode conducts current. Reverse bias. When the anode is connected to the negative terminal and the cathode is connected to the positive terminal, the diode becomes reverse biased. In this condition, the diode blocks current. So remember, forward bias implies current flows. Reverse bias implies current is blocked. Now let's understand the VI characteristics of a diode. The horizontal axis represents voltage. The vertical axis represents current. For a silicon diode, almost no current flows until the voltage reaches approximately 0.7 volts. After 0.7 volts, the current increases rapidly. In reverse bias, only a very small leakage current flows until breakdown occurs